What's up, all my sweet Serenity fam? It's your girl Kashia, and I am back with another video. So I recently just shared on my Instagram how I whiten my teeth in 5 minutes. Literally 5 minutes, guys. So basically I just been really kind of struggling with whitening my teeth no matter what I do, and I feel like my teeth has gotten yellow from like drinking coffee because I drink so much coffee at work. Like, I've noticed that it's been making my teeth a lot more yellow, so I've been searching and like using all these whitening toothpaste, trying whitening strips and all these things. So I just decided to look on YouTube to see if I can find something that will quickly whiten my teeth, because who doesn't love quick results? Like, we all love quick results. So I'm not really gonna hold you guys any longer. I'm just gonna do a quick video showing you how I whiten my teeth in 5 minutes. So I just wanna let you guys know, like, yes, this is quick results and I whiten my teeth in 5 minutes, but I do feel like you have to do it more than once for you to get like a really nice, bright, white smile. So this is just a really natural way of doing it. So scratch all of the lighteners, scratch all of the little UV light things. Like, this is all natural, guys. And it's so easy to make, like so easy to make. Like, I'm not gonna be like, oh, they turn like crystal white. Like, no, I'm not gonna, this is not clickbait. I'm not gonna give you guys a run for your money. I'm not gonna tell you guys like something that's like, you know, oh my God, this is like a miracle. You snap your fingers and your teeth are super white. No, but you will see a difference when you do this whitening technique. So just continue watching and see how I whiten my teeth in 5 minutes. Okay guys, so you guys are seeing all my imperfections, like my breakouts all here. So bear with me, my bag's under here, that's okay. If you guys have any skincare routines, the first ingredient is turmeric. So here, I don't know if you guys can see, here is my turmeric. You see how yellow this stuff is? Like, this stains everything. You want to wear something that you really don't care about. I chose this black t-shirt, just a plain black t-shirt, because this stuff gets so messy, but it doesn't stain your teeth, which really I was so nervous about. Like, when I first did this, I'm like, this literally stains everything, like your countertops, your floor, everything. Like, it will stain it yellow. So I was like, how is this gonna whiten my teeth if this stains literally everything that it touches? But it works. So you just get turmeric. You can buy this at any grocery store, Target, Walmart, ShopRite, whatever grocery store you have around you. I'm pretty sure they have turmeric. The next ingredient we all love is coconut oil. So I don't know if you can see it. I just have organic coconut oil, organic virgin coconut oil, and this also you can find like anywhere, like Target, Walmart. You can even order it off of Amazon. Wherever your grocery store is, they will have coconut oil. So when I did this, my coconut oil was in its solid state. So as you can see, it's in its solid state. That's how I use it, and it's best that way because it gives you like a paste when you mix it up. Next, just a little cup to mix it in. So the first thing you want to do is get your little cup, take your turmeric, and you just want to pour like, just, you know, a little in there. You don't need too much. I'll show you how much I poured. Like, I didn't measure this out or anything. So this is how much I put in there. Like, what is this? I guess like a teaspoon, or maybe a little bit more, probably a little bit more than a teaspoon. You just want to get like enough in there. Next, I just take literally a spoonful of coconut oil. There we go. Just, you know, it's in its solid state, so we just put a spoonful in there. Drop that in my cup. Excuse my nails, guys. We know it's quarantine, okay? Don't judge me. Now it doesn't want to come off. If the turmeric is not really like mixing in enough. Just add more coconut oil because you really want it to be like a paste consistency. So this is the consistency you want it to be. Literally like really pasty. This stuff is it gets messy, y'all. So make sure, like I said, you wear something that you don't care about because you're gonna regret it. So I did do this yesterday. So I'm gonna insert a clip in of my teeth like before I even did it at all. So you guys can really see the difference. But I did do this yesterday and I left it on for 5 minutes. But I think this time I'm gonna leave it on for a little bit longer, only to see if I get like a major result. But you can leave it on for 5 minutes and you will see a difference. So first I'm gonna show you guys what my teeth look like in the beginning. Again, excuse my breakouts and my dark marks because yeah. Then my after. I know it might seem like the picture, you know, my after, I might have brightened the picture. No, I just rinsed my mouth out and my face, of course, gets ashy. I didn't put like anything on my mouth. I just took the picture. So my face is ashy. It's not lightened. And then right now, I'm going to show you guys what my teeth look like before I even put it on right now. So guys, I'm so sorry about the lighting. I was trying my best to show you guys the best lighting, but my teeth are yellow right here. You see right there. So now I'm just showing you guys that I'm getting all the mixture on my toothbrush and getting ready to brush my teeth with that. So I'm just trying to get enough on there. Okay, now I'm just brushing in a circular motion, and you just gotta brush just like you're regularly brushing your teeth. You just try to really work all of the mixture in there, get the size of your teeth. You see, I really try to get the side of my teeth because I feel like that's where it's the most yellow for me. And my teeth weren't super yellow, but it's definitely nice to have a brighter smile. And I feel like this definitely brightens up your smile. So this is what I meant by it can get very messy, and you want to wear a shirt that you really don't care about because obviously it's really hard to contain. Look, I just got it on my cheek. And also you will start to see it kind of staining my lip and my chin. But it's the craziest thing. It doesn't stain your teeth. It's so crazy. But that's the magic of it. And now, as you can see, I am just swishing it around in my mouth. You want to do that for 5 minutes. I'm just showing you guys how much it's staining me. And I'm just swishing, and being silly. You guys really don't need to see this part of me weighing. So I will be back in 10 minutes.
1 eternity later.
So here I'm just filling my sink up with water and soap, hot water at that, because when I say this turmeric stains, it stains. So when I'm rinsing my mouth out, I don't want it to stain my sink. And here's my regular toothbrush that I will be using to brush my teeth as normal. After I rinse my mouth out, I'm just gonna brush my teeth like I normally do, and I'm actually gonna do it twice because I really want to get this off. And as you can see, this also stained my toothbrush. So please excuse my nappy little bun, but right now I am rinsing my mouth out. I try to really rinse it out good, so just keep swishing until you see as little yellow as you can. So here I'm just showing you guys what it looks like soon as I rinse it off, but I'm going to brush my teeth like normal, and I'm using Arm & Hammer. You can use any toothpaste you want, but I just had this toothpaste, so. All right, guys, so I am back, and I'm gonna show you my teeth now. So I showed you my after. This little piece will not stay down. I don't know if you can really see a difference, but like I did this yesterday as well. But like I said, guys, I personally think that it might take a couple more tries for your teeth to get like super white. My ring light just died. So as I was saying, I don't know if you can really see a difference, but like I said, I'm gonna throw in pictures so you can really see the difference between the very first time I used it, the second time, and then this time. You guys let me know if you see a difference. Leave it in the comments below. And thank you very much for tuning in and watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.